Hey everyone, welcome back. In this JavaScript tutorial, I'm going to talk a bit more about the variables let, const, and var. Okay, so these keywords and what exactly is the difference in a little bit in more detail. Okay, so like more clear when somebody asks in your interviews. So the let and const are the variables that cannot be redeclared, which we have already seen in the previous video. Okay, they must be defined or basically declared before use, and they have a block scope. When we say block scope, it is basically, say for example, a particular scope that I was talking about, right? So this is the opening parenthesis, closing parenthesis, and this is the one scope, right? So any code that you write within here. Okay, so for example, if I say let x is equal to 10, okay, now this x, if I print here, okay, I say console.log x, okay. Now the scope of this x is within this particular block only. All right, particular block, which is opening parenthesis, closing parenthesis. Now I can define another variable with the same name x outside of this block because the scope of this let is only within this. Okay, and outside of the block, the variable can be, same variable name can be reused. Okay, so I can say console.log and print x. Okay. But within here, within the same block scope, I cannot redeclare it. Okay, I cannot redeclare. I cannot say let x is equal to 20 within the same block. I can't do that. Okay, so let me try executing it by commenting this particular statement. Okay, so let me send this and see the console. You will see the 10 got printed. Okay, first, which is from this scope, right? And then outside of this scope, this block, you will see 15 got printed, right? So this is how let and const are going to work. Now, if I uncomment this, save it and send it again, I'll see an error. Okay, you will see x has already been declared. Okay, because I'm trying to redeclare x with the let keyword within the same block. So that is not possible. But if I use var, okay, so if I say var here, okay, then obviously I can go ahead and redeclare it. There won't be any error. Open the console, so save it. Okay, I have this x here, so I'll change it. Okay, so you'll see no error, right? But if I'm using, for example, var here, okay, so once I have used with the var and then I was trying to use the let keyword outside of it, right? So that is where the issue will happen. So let and const, make sure that you cannot redeclare them. Okay, it has a block scope. Same thing that we learned here for the let. Okay, that it has the block scope. Block is this within parenthesis. Same thing is for the const as well. Okay, so same behavior will be for the constant. Okay, if I try to do this as well, then it's not going to work because I have declared a const. Okay, you'll see identifier x has already been declared. Okay, if I comment this line, then within the block scope, constant x is 10, right? And then outside of the block, I can redeclare constant with the same variable name with the new value, right? Which is 15. So this is acceptable, but within the same block, same scope, you cannot redeclare let and constant, but you can redeclare the variable. So variable, consider it as a global scope. So for example, if I want to declare a variable here, so I'll say variable y is equal to 100 and I want to use it across. Say for example, I want to access this variable y. Okay, so let me print y within this block. Okay, and then I will print y outside of the block as well. Okay, save it and send it. Let's see what is the outcome. Okay, so you'll see that with that particular variable which has been declared with the var, okay, first 10 is printed. Okay, 15 is printed. Then we have this 100. You'll see this 100 got printed. Okay, let me clear everything so it's more clear. Send it again. So you'll see 10 got printed, then 100, then 15 and 100, right? So how was our script? Our script was, if we go to pre-request, you will see the first 10 was printed, which is x within this block scope. 10 got printed, then y, which is globally available, which is declared outside of this block, which I can access within the block as well. And then obviously this is again accessing this variable, right? So considering kind of a global variable that can be accessible within different blocks of your program. Okay, and with the var you can redeclare, but with let and const you can't redeclare. So this is brief a bit more about the const, var and let keywords. I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much for watching.